back on it. Done. I don't put too much because we're going to be calling these guys very soon. So, and this will be done for this season. And this rooster wants to peck at me, and that's okay. He has no stamina. All I need to do is blow on him and he'll fall over. Yeah, these guys have got to be about 10-pound birds. Okay, that's it. That's good. Chickens are done. I mean, my ducks are done. These guys are done. So, all in a day's work. So, and I'll show you the ducks right now. So, let's go over there. Get out of here. Okay. They look happy. Put this back in. Right there. That has the grit in it. And here is the food. So they look happy. I just have to give them some more water, and I think they're good. Here's the ducks. They're looking for their water. So I gotta finish doing them up and see what happens. And they like eating wood chips, I guess, but they're good. Okay, let me go get them done up. Be back in a minute. So all I did was put in a piece of board to lift this up. That's a shoe catch for the winter time. You know, so you don't get snow all over the house. I put it in here, kind of to help with the water that they splash, because my ducks are so messy. Yes, they are. They're messy little ducks. There they are. So let's go get them some water. And that's that. On to the next project, which is plenty. So let's go. Oh, what are we doing today, honey?
Well, we're doing a little bit of a lot of things here.
You're mowing right now.
Projects here have kind of stopped right now.
Yep.
So today the plan is just to mow, to get ahead of the mosquitoes, the deer flies, and the just general flies, the pests. in general. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so
Yeah.
there's no need in spraying. Spray would be wasted. We'll spray again on Saturday. Other than that, we're just doing basic little things. We have changes coming up here in
Yep.
the very near future.
Yep.
And
It's going to consist of a lot of work
it's
for
going to
us.
consist of a lot
Yeah.
of work. So we're kind of, in a way,
Trying to prepare for that.
prepare
It's
for that.
preparation.
There's going to be a lot of transition here. So
Yep. You'll see why. I mean, we can sit there and explain to you that this property is beautiful. Don't get us wrong. Uh-oh, that was a hint. So there you go.
yeah, we love this property.
we
There's
do.
some aspects of it that are a little bit challenging to us.
Yes.
Um,
And we put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this. You and I. Yes. Not only you, but you and I.
Yes,
Like
we
some
both
people
do.
think it's only you, but it's both of us. Okay, so you know.
But we have changes coming up here.
Look at Scarlett with
in the near future. And,
yes, near future.
like you said,
New
it's going
plans.
to involve a change for everybody here.
Yep. A change for everybody, including these girls. Yep. Hi, Scarlett. Hi, baby girl. Hey, Scarlett. Hi, honey. She goes, what's over here? She never comes over this far. Yeah. Yep. You're such a good girl. God, I love that girl. I love them. I love my goats. I really do. I know she's doing like Mom does. She's doing what you're doing, Mama. We need to get you away from your little girl. Yeah, we do. You're just too soured. You're both soured.
A little bit of separation here.
Yeah, separation, anxiety. They're going to be anxious. You know that, right? So yeah, they're having a good time. I think they like it out here. But anyways, what we're doing today is he's mowing. He had edged yesterday. Today we're cleaning the coops. I mean the chicken coops, or the brooders and the holders for the. And I told you that we're going to take one whole day to cull and hand pluck our chicken. So follow along. It should be pretty interesting. Yeah, because our plucker doesn't work. And I'm telling you, I'm ready to put a terrible review on that product I got from Amazon so that nobody else can buy it. I mean, shouldn't buy it because they're going to waste their money on it. So, other than that, we got mucking to do and other things. So, more later. God is good.
All the time.
All the time.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. And we're
God
working
is
on,
good.
God is good, and we are working on our property. This is the freedom we were given.
Yes.
And we absolutely love the freedom we're given. So we're actually celebrating by working our farm.
By working on farm.
That's right.
Absolutely.
More later. Ciao. Bye.